Here's walk you through a bug fix that lets you quickly fix your iPhone notes to disappear. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Apple ID profile name. Now scroll to the iCloud option and tap on the See All options for Save to iCloud section. Tap on Notes and enable the Toggle Sync this iPhone toggle. If it's enabled, then disable and re-enable with the option Delete from iPhone option. That's it. Ensure that your iPhone is connected with a stable internet connection via mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Hope you will get the fix for ongoing issues of notes disappeared on iPhone Notes app. Still not syncing then? Offload Notes app on your iPhone home screen. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll and tap on General option. Tap on iPhone Storage option. Scroll to last and see option See All. Find and tap on Notes. Tap on Offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. That's it. Now, re-download Notes from the App Store. Search Notes and tap on Cloud icon to re-download the Notes app on your iPhone. Ensure that the iCloud Sync this iPhone is enabled under the settings, as showing earlier in this video. I hope you found the solutions on this Notes app bug on your iPhone with iOS 18 update.